to use if I was and if I were. We use if I was when there is possibility of me being that thing. For example, if I was impolite to you yesterday, then I'm sorry. Here, it is possible that I could have been impolite, all right? But then we use if I were when there is no possibility. That is when it is impossible for you to be something or someone. Example, if I were you, I would say, so here there is no possibility for me to be you. I can never be you and you can never be me. All right? I could also say, if I were Portable, I would watch my dressing and grooming. Here, I can never be Portable, and Portable can never be me. That is why I used if I were. So we use if I was when it is possible, and we use if I were when there is no possibility. All right? Bye.